Alexa can now track Uber Eats orders in the US. Uber is announcing a new integration with Alexa today that'll allow you to track your Uber Eats orders via Amazon's voice assistant in the US. Amazon says the feature will provide updates about the status of an order from when it's being prepared right through to when Uber's driver arrives with your food. Now if you're thinking, hang on, I thought you'd been able to do this for years? Uber announced support for hailing a ride via Alexa way back in 2016. We even made a Verge video about it at the time. And last year, it added the ability to order Uber Eats using both Siri and Google Assistant. So similar functionality has been around for a while. Sony's new $2,200 camera versus an iPhone 14 Pro. It's the new flagship offering of Sony's established ZV line of vlog-centric cameras, taking a similar 12-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor as the Pro-focused FX3 and mixing in the A7RV's AI autofocus smarts to reduce the friction in making high-quality video content.